Okay, I'm going to kind of demonstrate what I've been doing. I'm just taking some of the clay on my hand, and I'm just kind of at first putting it on the surface here, and then I'm just kind of pushing it in to any available space, any crack here, and it's going to, part of it's going to wick in, you know, because using capillary action. And I'm kind of putting it on heavy. I'm not too concerned right now. I'm actually going to try something here. I had put a different texture on here, but I've really been having a lot of luck, I guess, you know, a lot of success with burnishing, and just curious if this will take a burnish also. So I'm going to actually cover the whole outside, not the base, but on the sides here. I'm going to cover the outside with this paste and let it dry, and then we'll see how well that can take a burnishing. Okay, I've done a couple little coats here. I'm going to want to let it dry. Before I forget, I want to say that the one thing I've read about a lot with this type of clay is that a lot of people say you should not use toilet paper. Some people like it, some people don't. The main reason is that after a while, the paper in itself, as it'll start to stink. Actually, it'll start to mold or whatever. So, and I guess that would be appropriate for, you know, especially if you're making large batches of this. I just made a very small batch, and I'll probably leave this so that the lid is off, so it'll probably dry out faster than it can actually start to stink, and then I can always reconstitute it as I need. Once it's dried out, I can always add some more water and make it to where the consistency I need. Kind of happy. It's looking good. There are some places here it's a little bit. This is actually like the paper. You can actually feel the paper in here. So I'm just going to kind of rub it off, and and then I'll go and try to burnish this, but I want to let it dry out for the most part, maybe the next 10 minutes, and then we'll try the burnishing.